10 years, masasabi kong hindi siya madali. Masaya siya, pero hindi naging madali ang daan patungo sa isang dekada namin.
Mahal, 10 years ago when I married you, our journey was never easy and is filled with moments that test our love and patience. But still, we made it. Akalain mo yun? Natiis mo ko ng 10 years. So for that, happy anniversary to us. A decade down and forever to go.
Walang bagay na hindi natin kaya pag nagtutulungan tayo. We also had a lots of fight. Minsan tumatagal ng isang araw, magbabati rin tayo kasi sasabihin mo bigla, yakapin mo na ako. Lambingin mo ako. Natutunan kong maging robot na kahit ikaw ang mali, ako pa din ang manunuyo. At kahit ako pa ang galit, ako pa din ang mga amo. Pero ikaw ang unang nagsasorry. Tapos sasabihin mo, mag-sorry din ako. Bandang uli, ikaw na yung tama, ako na yung mali. Pero di naman mahalaga sa atin ngayon kung sino ang tama at sino ang mali. What important is kahit anong mang pinagdadaanan natin, we choose to stay. Meron pa ding ikaw at ako.
Ma, Daddy, maraming salamat sa paggabay, walang sawang paggabay at suporta sa amin ni Mela at sa pamilya namin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Yes, love you, love you.
Love you. Pa, I know you're not here physically, but I know you're watching over me.
Alam kong mahilig kang magbasa ng book. Kaya susubukan kong maging kakaiba ang aking vow. Gagawin ko siyang parang libro with the chapters of our love or our love story. The title is Ikaw at Ako.
Were in bloom. Oh, it felt like a dream, like an old movie scene, and I'll never forget the moment you said.
Laging salamat. Thank you. Lagi mo akong binibili ng phone. Yes. Alam mo na kung bakit. Kasi gusto mo lagi akong kausap. Gusto mo laging magka-chat tayo. So, yun. Thank you, Ret. Maraming salamat. Love you.
Thank you for being the man that you are today and for being a great father to our beautiful children. Before anything else, I would like to honor God for giving me you, that after years of heartaches, He allowed me to experience a love like yours. He indeed makes everything beautiful in its time. Alam naman natin na ang pag-aasawa ay hindi madali. It is not always rainbows and butterflies. Sometimes it is full of hurricanes and ugly storms. Sometimes it is painful that we tend to forget all the beautiful memories of love. Sometimes it is arguments and misunderstandings, and love doesn't always comes easy.
Felt the space grow in between.
Para sa aking prinsesa, sana magustuhan mo ang gift ko sa'yo. Alam ko kasi na fan ka ng Apple at mahilig ka manood ng K-drama sa phone mo. I-enjoy mo sana ang aking gift. Sana swerte yan. Scatter na. Joke lang, bad yun. I love you with 3 hearts. From your esposo.
This light is a reminder that when love is built on faith, when it's fueled by commitment and covered by grace, it can stand the test of time. And today, we don't look at the flame, we celebrate a fire that's still alive in their heart. We give thanks for the every moment that lead here. We look forward with joy to every moment that still come. To Arlan and Carmela, your love is a light and it shines bright.
For all of time, I'll be with you by your side. Highest heights through the
'Cause
moon and the stars, you're my afternoon sky. Without you